Hi there, today I'll be explaining the four parts of the plant, which are the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flowers. The first part of the plant I'll be explaining is the roots. The roots are located underground and is responsible for absorbing water and nutrients from the soil. They're also the anchors of the plant, allowing it to survive through harsh winds and floods. But did you know there's actually two types of roots, these being the taproot and the fibrous root? The taproot is primarily a single thick vertical root which goes deeper than most other roots. A fun fact about the taproot is that most taproots are able to survive through harsh weathers like dried areas. Because of its large root, it digs deep into the soil to reach water. Then there is the fibrous root, which is primarily in a large radius built closely together. A fun fact about the fibrous root is that people use them to hold up dirt hills, so then during any types of floods, it won't start crumbling down. The next part of the plant I'll be explaining is the stem. The stem supports the plant, holding it upright, allowing it to reach sunlight. It also allows to transport water and nutrients from the roots, the leaves, and other parts of the plant. But also, did you know there's actually three types of stems, which are the underground stem, the subterranean stem, and the aerial stem? The first stem is the underground stem. Just like same way the name indicates, it's located underground. Fun fact, potatoes and onions are actually stems. Then there is the subaerial stems. These are usually between the underground and above ground. They usually use the underground part to reach for water and to spread more seeds easily. Then there is the aerial stems, which we usually see in our daily basis. Fun fact is that cactus is actually an aerial stem. Then there is the leaves. The leaves are primarily sited of photosynthesis, where sunlight is converted into energy for the plant. They are also play a role in gas exchange. With this comes three types of leaves, being the common leaves, the needle leaves, and the compound leaves. These being really easy to understand just by knowing their names. And lastly but not least, there is the flowers. The flowers are the reproduction system of the plant and involve to attract pollinators and produces seeds. But did you know there's actually four parts of the flower, being the stamen, which is the male part of the plant, the pistil, which is the female, then there's the petals that attracts the bees, and lastly but not least, the sepals, which is the green parts of the plant. Well, that's going to be all about my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.